Good morning, children. Let us draw some amaltas trees, those yellow shower trees today. Okay, first let us draw. Make the pencil drawing first. I am drawing some pencil drawings for the tree, and you can see this is barely visible. It is very light. It should be like that. You can see this is the drawing. It is going in perspective. Okay. With distance, the trees are getting shorter and thinner. Let us start the coloring. First, I am going to do the background. This is our sky. I am going to do the sky with light blue color, and I am going to do it very lightly. First, you see, I have made some cloud shapes, and I am going to color very lightly the rest of the area. I am doing the cloud shapes with color only, as if you don't do it with pencil and make it very dark, then the lines are visible in the final drawing. Okay, that is why I am avoiding the pencil. I have done with sky blue in the sky, and now I am going to smudge it. Don't worry about the cloud shapes. Let the color go into these shapes and smudge them properly. Now this is white color. I am going to blend white with blue. Okay, especially the edges of the cloud shapes. Do it properly there, in the clouds, and all over the sky. Okay, I want my sky to be very light. It is almost done, and then we can smudge the white with our finger. So it is done. I am doing white here as well, behind the trees. Now I am going to use yellow green. You can use light green as well. Now yellow is for the leaves. So yellow is going in a different way, a slightly different way. Just watch it. We don't need to fill all the white spaces. Just some leaves. Again with medium yellow. Making some tiny dots on the lower side of the trees. Some on the top. Now I want a tree here. Only the top of the tree is visible. It is very near to us. It is just partially the top is visible, but it is quite near. Okay. I'm going to draw in the same way, same style, first with yellow ochre. Light brown. And medium yellow. Now these flowers are very near to us. We need to give it more detailing. I am just making dots, different sizes. Again, this is grass green. Just a few leaves I want, not much. Now for this portion, I am going to use some yellow here under the trees. Just a little bit of yellow, and don't let it merge with these, that is hanging flowers. Okay, just a little bit of it. Okay, yellow is done. Now I want to use some blue. This is ultramarine blue. See how I am using it. Again, I don't want much of it. Going to smudge it with some green. Now smudge them a bit with your finger. Okay, now I am going to use some grass green here like this. Very light. Now take any darker shade of green. I am using leaf green and it is in a crossing way. The stroke should cross each other. The leaf green and the grass green. Smudge a little with your finger. Just a little. Don't need to smudge it very properly. Just roughly smudge it. A little bit of leaf green here as well for the shadow. It will give the tree some volume. Okay, it is done. A little bit of leaf green I have used here. Now I am going to do the shading with pencil, the detailing. If you have shading pencils, you can use it. I'm doing them really darker at the bottom. If you have shading pencils, then it is very good. If you don't have, you can just use the ordinary pencil. Just vary the pressure of your pencil on the paper and you will get different shades. You see, this portion is darker than this area. Do all the trees like that. Only part of the branches are visible here and there. Do it like that. One branch is coming like that. You see these branches? Just go on doing like this. Some lines, vertical lines. You're just giving a hint of the hanging flowers. Now this one that is very near to our eyes. Okay. Now this portion. Now it is a little on a lower level. You can see this line, it goes thinner as it goes in the distance. It becomes more and more thin. Okay, there are some grass. I am doing with pencil, the shading thing. giving you a closer look. You see how I am doing it? Do it just like this. Very simple it is. Now I want here a lamp, a kind of street lamp. So I am going to draw a line like this. I am drawing here a street lamp. It should go down very straight. And now something like a stand. Something like this on which the lamp is situated. Okay, and now I am going to give it some shading with pencil. So here is our lamp. I have left this portion unshaded as it shows the highlight. Light falls direct on this portion and it goes black. Little bit of shading here with pencil only. So here it is. This portion is lighter than this. This is quite dark. So here is our street lamp. Applying a little white here and here as well. Just in the middle. So this is our street lamp. I would really like someone to walk down the road, so I am making a figure. Maybe two girls walking down the road. I have just roughly drawn the figures with pencil. We can give them some color. We don't need to go into much detail. We don't need to go into much detailing and don't worry much about the figures. Just give a hint that they are walking down the road. That's all. I'm just roughly doing it. Just scratching a bit the faces. That's all. You can draw more figures if you want. And now a very important part is still remaining, that is the shadows. Now watch it. With a very light hand, I'm drawing the shadows. I'm doing the shadows. Make shadows very light. Otherwise the page will look very dirty. Be very careful with your shadows, and especially on this portion. this level is on a it is on a lower level than this one. When you make the shadows, take care of this thing. It comes like this and then it goes down and then it goes like this. This portion should be very darker. Finally, the darker shades on the trees. The shade side should be darker. Okay, now we need to add some shadow to the figures as well. Okay, it is done. Now this is our amaltash trees. You can add more figures. I would like you to add some sitting figures as well. Okay, enjoy doing it. Stay in and stay safe. Bye.